Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Tis the season coming up really, really fast, guys. I'm going to share with you guys somewhat of a haul that basically took about a year to accumulate because I start shopping for the holiday season based upon the clearance that's left after the previous season. And I run across some really good finds at 90% off. So you see a mixture of the old and a mixture of the new. Now in our family room, you guys know I keep it really relaxed. I decorate for my fellas in the house so that they don't have to worry about things being pretty and me basically saying, don't touch that, even though I don't say that anyway. But you know what I mean for us girly girls out there. So I keep things really relaxed in that area, and I love keeping it sort of rustic, coastal, whatever I can do to make everyone feel at home, especially when we're watching TV, movies, and things like that. We just want to chill. So hence we are with the farmhouse. Things, again, 90% off, and there are some new items that were included as I found them later this year. Now, I want you to help me kind of think through what I'm going to use these things for. First up is 2 metal letter holders or Christmas card holders, and they are so pretty. They are freestanding, so I don't necessarily have to hang them on a wall. I wish there was a little hole to hang them on the wall because I have an idea and I feel like I could add some greenery to it, and that would be really, really pretty. So I also love the fact that they could be on opposite sides of the stove, and because they're metal, I don't have to worry about any kind of hot liquid doing damage to them, like grease if you're frying something like that. And then secondly, oh my God, I love this. This is sort of a huge centerpiece. You really can't tell here, but it's really pretty. And you see that price, $79.99. I got it for 90% off. And this was like mid-February when I saw these things sitting out on a table. I think someone had either returned it or it was a late shipment or whatever, but it's mine, all mine. Next, we have this gorgeous wooden beaded plaque, again stored in the attic, and it has a distressing on the beads, and it's really pretty, and it's a pretty substantial size. And those two items were basically grouped together. This is a new addition. It's a home goods item, and they had them on a little clearance on the bottom of a rack. And I think they were left from last year. They are gold pine cones, so I don't have to go outside and spray paint pine cones this year. And that was a really good deal. Those are like $9. Faux greenery already in existence. Large picks, I had those in the attic from last year. And so now I can just bring them down. As you know, Hobby Lobby repeats the same picks over and over again. And this is perfect. So I get to make a really nice floral arrangement. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous truck, guys. It's from Ross. I was looking for this truck last year and they were really, really expensive. But this one is the perfect size and it was $30.99. And it was from Ross, so it was a good find. And it was the only one sitting on a table right as you came into the front door. So that was a quick little pickup and in and out, in addition to the ornaments that I found on our Christmas tree in the living room, those big glass ones. I shared those with you earlier. This Holly Jolly pillow, that's Home Goods. And they had it last year, they have it this year. So that was a really good find, and I really just got one because I just want to, make the impact of the whole theme that I am going for. The next item, guys, love the acrylic risers. Are they not pretty? You've seen these on our Valentine's Day anniversary tablescape. They were on the dining table. They are absolutely gorgeous. They were very cheap. And again, clearance. And I think they were Hobby Lobby as well. These were Hobby Lobby. They had those up front, 90% off. And I love these. You can tell I already have my phone between them. They were obviously in the closet with the rest of the plates. But again, 90% off. This Christmas tree, that was Home Goods. People tend to use things for holiday parties, and then once they have them, they bring them back to the stores, and they bring them back within a reasonable amount of time. And in between that time, the item has been reduced and it now is on clearance. And the beautiful ribbon. This ribbon is from, I think this is Walmart. Yes, this is Walmart ribbon. That's a 2-pack with the black and the red and black stack. Those came together. Think about this. If you are a person who likes to decorate for every season, don't forget to look at the fall items right now. Christmas is shoved out to the aisles, in the aisles, but the fall items are being drastically reduced because they got to get out of the way. The ribbon here on the left, on the right, I'm sorry, this ribbon is from Michaels and reasonably priced. I think their ribbon probably now is maybe 40 or 50% off. So a lot of stores are currently starting to get some Christmas stock and stack it out in the aisles, so you can see some opportunities there to get things really cheap, because this is going to push Christmas stock levels really into extreme promotions this year. Take my prediction, watch me. It's going to push them into extreme promotion. They're going to have these discounts earlier because the stock is coming in late, meaning that they're going to have to reduce the price in order to move it, because people are starting to compromise and settle for what they can get, and they may not come back to the store. So use that wisdom there. These are clip-ons. You can clip them directly to the tree or to your garland. I absolutely love them. These will give my tree a touch of glam. I want it to have that farmhouse look, but a touch of glam. So I am going to be adding in touches of gold. They were in a unique place. They have a display box that they have to be in, so they're not going to be near the rest of your farmhouse decor, which are basically along the aisles. So you'll have to step away to find these items. I believe they were $2.98 each. And again, don't look for them along the aisles with the rest of the Christmas decorations. They'll be in their very own box toward the back, maybe even by your Christmas trees in the garden area. I picked up 2 more containers of lights because I do want to have some on top of the cabinet ledge. And since these have a timer, that is absolutely perfect. And the other thing is, oh my God, aren't these the cutest? These onion shaped ornaments. They are so cute. I only got 2, 1 per tree. I picked these up and I meant to get them in gold. And for some reason, I forgot to put them back and swap them out. So I will definitely be returning those. I love the farmhouse beads, having found them in black, a 6-foot black, and I will be using those on the mantle for decorations along with a garland. That'll add a pop of green up there. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I didn't want to put it on the tree because with all the green, I thought it might take it down. If I had a flock tree, that would make a big difference. I have plenty of ribbon to place on the tree, so I'm good with those pops of color. Now, this little darling of a tin was purchased at Dollar General. I went in to get some detergent and I saw it on the Christmas aisle, what little Christmas they do have. And I thought this would be perfect on the coffee bar with some just quick little pickup snacks. You know, we'll have some cookies or something, but we don't eat a lot of sweets. But this is just giving me, you know, the pop of the whole buffalo plaid along the counters. These little darlings are from Dollar Tree. I couldn't resist getting them. $1. Again, we're going to put something on the cabinet ledges this year, so why not use this box again and have that red up there, and of course having the light underneath them, and maybe adding some greenery around them. So that's my idea for that. Could not resist for just $1. Now, I do need to add a pop of white to the tree. And even though I've ordered some things, I'm still using the DIY. I saw these at Walmart and I picked them up and I said, okay, I already got this under wraps. I have this DIY. I've got to share with you guys. That is coming out this week, rain or shine, but these are going back. And you may very well be like me. You already have tons of solid colored ornaments. They don't have to be white. They could be black, and we could do it in the reverse. They could be green. They could be red. And again, you could add white or whatever color you want to using the DIY that I'm going to show you. This marbled effect will add the design element to your tree, and it'll give it that high-end look. That is, if you want a farmhouse glam, which is what interior designers are calling it now. You know, they took away our just simple rustic. I knew I wanted the buffalo check in an ornament. They do have them at the Dollar Tree. Good luck to you. I just ordered online. And I could not forget my Snugglies. I saw this throw and I love it. It is so soft, and there's always a throw in my chair in our family room. Yes, I have a chair. I've given it to everybody, but nobody wants to sit in it. They say it doesn't fully face the TV. Okay, anyway, my throw and I will be right there. And this little shawl wrap I purchased from Five Below. And I thought this pop of color is going to be perfect for a DIY ladder that I'm building to place on the wall next to the fireplace near the Christmas tree. It's just for a pop of color, but I've also already had it around my shoulders. So, you know, hey, it functions too. We have DIYs coming your way. We have got staging of the DIYs. We have got some work to do, and I want to get them done as soon as possible. So the videos are really going to come back to back, so I can just sit back and chill and take care of myself. This is why I wanted some time to be off and get back re-engaged, and then of course to connect to my family. So that's what this is all about. It's not about rushing Christmas or anything like that. It's rushing to myself and rushing to my family. I hope you guys love some of the ideas, and I hope you like the things that you saw, and take advantage of some of these nuggets on when to shop and where to shop. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so you don't miss out on any of these videos, DIYs, or design projects. And again, stay in prayer and stay creative. Happy holidays.